In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the logo on your Framer website. It's a fairly straightforward process, requiring just a few steps of navigation and click-through actions. To get started, we must first navigate to the Framer website. This action is as simple as typing Framer into your browser's search bar and hitting Enter. Once you're on the Framer website, your next step would be to navigate to your specific site. Your personal site on Framer is going to be the place where all your creative ideas and design interactions reside. If you have numerous sites under your portfolio, make sure you select the correct site for which you want to change the logo. This is a crucial step, because you definitely wouldn't want to modify the logo for the wrong site. Once you are on the correct site page, your next move is to zero in on the section of your site where your logo is displayed. Usually, the logo is located either on the top left or right corners of the web page, or directly in the center of your website's header. Your website's layout and theme may impact the logo's exact location. Thus, take your time and ensure you found the precise spot where your current logo resides. Now, here comes the main part of this tutorial process. You are now at a key stage where you are about to delete your previous logo. Keep in mind, once done, this action cannot be reversed, and you would lose your previous logo unless you have its original file saved with you. So, on your logo, have it selected, and this should usually provide you with the option to remove or delete the logo. Once clicked, your current logo should promptly disappear from your website. Remember, your site won't save these changes until you choose to. So if you accidentally delete the logo, simply refresh the page without saving your changes. Having successfully removed the previous logo, we are now ready to add a new one. To add a new logo, look for an option such as Add Logo or Upload Image on your site. Click on it to open your computer's file directory, where you can select the new logo image file. Make sure the logo image file you upload is correctly formatted and optimized for your site. Once your new logo has been selected, it should automatically appear in the same space where your old logo was. Double-check to ensure that everything looks as it should. If you're satisfied with the new look, remember to save all changes made to your website so that your new logo stays in place. And that's it. You've successfully changed your logo on your Framer website. See, it wasn't that hard, was it? Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow step-by-step tutorials.